Hello and welcome to my class. I am Banashri. So today we will see how simple patterns can create perfect squares. So we are looking at a problem from grade 6 CBSE book Ganita Prakash. So the problem goes, can you find a pictorial explanation for why adding counting numbers up and down like this 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 gives perfect square numbers. So here is a simple square, 2 by 2 dots. This is a square number. So how can we see this? We can draw this kind of lines. So we see that first cell contains 1, then second cell contains 2, and the third one contains 1. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 1. And it is 4 dots, that is 2 square. So this is a 2 by 2 squares, and we can visualize it by drawing lines like this, so that it is counting numbers up and then down. In this sequence we are getting. So first we count up. Counting numbers are basically natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 and till infinity. So this is the sequence. We have to count up like 1, 2 and then down again. So this sequence, if we are able to visualize like this, then it gives a perfect squares. Next, let us consider this figure. So it is a 3 by 3 square. Let us draw similar lines like before. What we see is that the middle diagonal contains 3. It is the same as the sides. The sides also contains 3. Or the rows contains 3. There are 3 rows containing 3 dots, and this diagonal also has 3. So we will need this later on. You can just understand that this is a observation that the diagonals contain the same number of dots as the rows. So here also we count up first 1 plus 2 plus 3. It is these cells, if you see 1 plus 2 plus 3, then again we go down. So this is basically 3 squares. So we have to, you can, I think many of you might be noticing that the middle number, that is the 3, this is the whole number is a square of this number, middle number. So next, by now you would have understood what will be this. This is also 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Then again count down 3 plus 2 plus 1. So this is 4 by 4 square. So there is another way to look at this. When we arrange these 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, when we are coming down, so we can rearrange this one and this 2 gives 3. Then this 2 and the last one also gives 3. So there are 3 3s, the center 3 and the added 3s. So 3 into 3 is 3 square. This is not a pictorial, but this is another way to see this. So now there is the second problem in the same figure it out. By imagining a large version of your picture or drawing it partially as needed, can you see what will be the value of this sequence 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to 99 plus 100, and then again count down 99, 98 like that, 3 to 1 till 3 to 1. So this sequence, what will be the value of this? So we have already done this sequence 4 by 4 sequence, and we know that this is a square of the middle column, middle cell contains 1 2 3 4, right? So basically if we count up 1 2 3 4, 4 is the middle, then we start counting down. So this, all this sequence of this count up and down will basically be the square of the largest number, that is a diagonal one. So this intuition we got. So now we can solve this for the bigger any sequence, whatever sequence is given, that is still 100. Then we are counting down till 1. So middle is the 100 is the biggest number. So that we can understand that the big picture will have this diagonal of 100 dots. So this is a 100 square. So if this that is all from for today's class. If you have any doubts, then you can comment, or if you have understood, please like this video. Thank you.